This 2023 Newmar Super Star 4061 is a Super CRV. It is located in Huntsville, Alabama, 35816 and is offered for sale by Bankston Motorhomes of Huntsville. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Newmar is 40 feet 0 inches in length and features a REMMY interior, sleeps 5, Slideout, and 150 gallons fresh water capacity. The floorplan layout of this Super C features rear bedroom. This 2023 Newmar Super Star 4061 is built on a Freightliner M-2 chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.